Find the total cost of the material from the following data. The different materials used for the construction are given in this table. The materials are 40 mm HBG metal, 20 mm HBG metal, sand, cement, bricks, rough stone, polished shaba stone, white cement paint, and their costs at source are given, and a lead statement how to be prepared from this data. So leads are given and conveyance charges also given. Enter all this data in one table and add additional columns for equivalent lead, total conveyance charges, cost of the material at source. The first material is 40 mm HBG metal. Cost of this material at source is 1333 rupees per cubic meter, and it is taken from 5 km to the site, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. Calculate the equivalent lead. So these are the actual distances from source to site. Here MR is metal road, CT is carter track, ST is the sandy track. So it is taken in a metal road, and this equivalent lead is as it is 5 kilometers. And conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa into 5 kilometer. 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer into 5 kilometers, which is equal to 462 rupees. And total cost of the material at site is source cost plus conveyance charge, which is equal to 1333 rupees plus 462 rupees. Total cost at the site is 1795 rupees. To get 40 mm HPG metal from source to site, it is required 1795 rupees. Second one is 20 mm HPG metal, and its cost at source is 1395 rupees, and it is also taken in a metal road, and its conveyance charge is 92 rupees 40 paisa per kilometer. So equivalent lead is 5 kilometers, which is equal to actual lead, and total conveyance charge is 92.40 into 5 is also 462 rupees. Cost of material at site is equal to cost of material at source plus total conveyance charges, 1395 rupees plus 462 rupees, which is equal to 1857 rupees. Third one is sand. Its cost at source is 605 rupees. It is taken in metal road and also in a sandy track road. So for a sandy track, increase the lead by 40%. Equivalent lead is actual lead into 1.4. 1.4 is the factor. 3 into 1.4 plus metal road distance is 8 kilometers. So 8 plus 3 into 1.4, which is equal to 12.2 kilometers. Its total conveyance charge is calculated from these two columns data. So here conveyance charge is given for different kilometers. There are different rates. So up to 5 kilometers, the conveyance charge is 96 rupees. For every kilometer beyond 5 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers is 14.40 paisa. Therefore, this is equivalent lead is 12.2 kilometers. For up to 5 kilometers, the rate is 96 rupees. So beyond 5 kilometers, 12.2 kilometers minus 5 kilometers into 14.40. Therefore, total conveyance charge is 583.68 paisa. Cost of material at site is equal to 605 plus 583.68. Total cost is equal to 1188.68 paisa. We can round it to 1189 rupees. Cost of the cement at site is 4300 rupees per metric ton. So there is no equivalent lead and the total conveyance charges. So it is 4300 rupees per metric ton. So 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kgs. 1 cubic meter volume of cement weighs 1440 kgs. So 1 kg is equal to 1 by 1440 cubic meter volume. So substitute this here, 4300 rupees divided by 1000 into 1 kg is equal to 1 divided by 1440, which is equal to 6192 rupees per cubic meter. ₹6,192 per cubic meter. The next material is bricks. Bricks cost is 7000 rupees per 1000 numbers, and the distance is 24 kilometers in metal road, and CT is cart track. So it is taken through a cart track at a distance of 4 kilometers. Equivalent lead is 24 kilometers metal road plus cart track is at a distance of 4 kilometers. While conveying the materials through the cart track, the lead can be increased by 10%. So we have to take 1.1 factor. Equivalent lead is equal to 28.4 kilometers. Total conveyance charges are up to 5 kilometers 154.10 paisa. 5 kilometers into 154.10 paisa plus beyond 5 kilometers and up to 30 kilometers conveyance charge is 23 rupees 10 paisa. So beyond 5 kilometers, here the total equivalent lead is 28.4 minus 5 into 23 rupees 10 paisa. Total conveyance charge is 1311 rupees 4 paisa. Cost of the material at site is equal to 7000 rupees. The total conveyance charge is per 1000 number of bricks, 7000 plus 1311 rupees 4 paisa, 8311 4 paisa. Round it to 8312 rupees per 1000 numbers. Next one is rough stone. Rough stone cost at source is 200 rupees per cubic meter. Metal road distance is 17 kilometers. Cart track is 2 kilometers. To find the equivalent lead, 17 plus 2 is the cart track distance. So we have to take 1.1 factor, 10% increment, which is equal to 19.2 kilometers. And total conveyance charges are 5 kilometers into 92.40 paisa plus 19.2 minus 5 into 13.90 paisa, which is equal to 659.38 rupees. The total cost at the site is equal to 200 rupees plus 659.38. Total cost is 859.38, so round it to 860 rupees per cubic meter. And the next material is polished shabat stone. Its cost is 4,300 rupees per 10 square meter, and lead is 4 kilometers. Lead is directly entered as 4 kilometers, and conveyance charge is 135 rupees per 10 square meter into 4 kilometers is equal to 540 rupees. Total cost of polished shabat stone at site is equal to 4,300 plus 540 rupees, 4,840 rupees. And white cement paint, cost of the white cement paint at site is 28 rupees, and the lead is 0. Directly we can get this into site at a price of 28 rupees per kg.